Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl edith.iheme here. Today is going to be a different video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to be doing an unboxing and I'm so excited. So this is my beauty room, okay? And if you haven't checked out the video, I have a video where I show you guys my beauty room. But this is basically what it looks like. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing because I finally got myself a vanity mirror. I've been wanting one for a while now, okay? And I was hoping to get one last year, but it didn't work out. So I'm so excited. My stuff came in the mail and the company I chose to go with is the Glamcor, okay? Just gonna show you guys. I got the Riki Skinny, all right? If you guys don't know about this company, go check them out on Instagram. I'm super excited, and yeah, I got that one. And then I also got the Riki Tall. This is the Riki Tall right here. Which my husband is gonna come help me with. Woo. So that's the box. I kind of was thinking I was gonna go with Impressions Vanity, but when I kind of discovered this one, I was like, you know what? This is much more sleek, much stress. It doesn't get hot, and I just love it. But first of all, let me unbox the Riki Skinny for you guys, okay? So let's do that. It came with this cue card here from Glamcor, and it just gives me a discount on my next purchase, which is cool. All right, and we have a cute booklet here that shows you about all the product. And here is the mirror. What? So that's the mirror right there. You know, if you guys have been searching vanities, I'm sure you've come across this on YouTube. But I just love it because it's super, super bright. Okay, and in the box, as you can see, you get this here, and this is for your phone. And that's kind of one of the things that sold me on this product. And we have a nice stand here, which I'm just gonna prop right there. We have the cord. I've already looked at it because me and my daughter were so excited, and she, you know, kept on opening the box and stuff. And this is a nice mirror. And in the box right here, let's see, we have the, okay, all right, and this is the charger. So, because I said I already opened this before, so this is actually the charger for your mirror, which I think is super cool. You know, you can charge it. Okay, so it goes in there. Okay, so I already charged this, so let us kind of set it up. So let's turn it on. You guys, look at that. Do you see? Let me turn this way. Oh, you can see the camera. Yeah. All right, so it's got 5 settings. So it gets super, super bright. It gets brighter and brighter. So this is the first setting. And you see 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you guys, that is super bright. Super bright. And you can see my camera right there. Yep. Okay, so there you go. And it's got Bluetooth, and like it says, rechargeable. This right here, all right, is for your phone. So you can also pop this on there. I love it so much. All right, you can slant that right there, and you can pop your phone. Pop your phone on there. It's great for live videos, you know, which is kind of what sold me on this. Plus, of course, how bright it is super beautiful. And of course, like I said, you have the magnetic mirror, which also goes on the mirror. Let's unbox the big one. I'm super excited about that one. Okay, guys, so hubby's gonna help me unbox. So come on, babe, do it.
So what we have here is a white box with the word Riki on it.
Riki loves Riki.
Riki, heart Riki. Oh my gosh, look at this! It's a remote control!
Come on, babe, come on now. Okay, so you guys see the big mirror also comes with the same phone holder. So it attaches to the mirror, and you can also take pictures and stuff, as well as, you know, help me show the bits. Come on now.
And here's the bits.
Show the bits.
Show the bits.
All right, so that's the mirror. Okay, another magnifying mirror, and then the phone holder.
So you could actually use these on the same holder from the other one and put 2 holders on there, and you can have 2 phones on a mirror.
The mirror has a magnet, you know, behind it, and I think it's got like 3 spots. So yeah, actually you could do that. So.
Yeah, see? And then here you have a
plug-in.
A plug-in.
Okay, and Babe's gonna help me with that. All right, perfect.
And here you have a styrofoam container.
Just pull out. All right.
And here is a plexiglass holder.
Right, so this is where the mirror is gonna sit in. It's pretty cool. So Baby can just set it right here gently, because it's got a bit of weight to it. And there's the mirror.
Whoa, that's heavy.
It's not that heavy. The mirror is not that heavy, actually.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, don't break your back. Gently. Now you're gonna have to screw it in. Okay, and then you screw it in at the back. Right there. And what's cool is that you can also charge your phone, okay? Because one part's for the plug-in, and then this side is for like a USB, so you can kind of connect your phone and also charge your phone while you're on live. It has magnets in the middle like this, so you can put a phone clip. Another thing I wanted to talk about is this other accessory that I ordered from the company. This is the suction cup, and this is an accessory for the Riki skinny mirror. Okay, now I ordered this separate. But you can see it has a suction cup right here. So this sticks to any glass, okay? So you can put this on any glass. So I just attached the piece to it. So basically, you know, I think you take this part off, and then you can stick this to this, and then this suctions to any glass, and then you can do like, you know, a tutorial on your phone at nighttime in the bathroom or wherever you may find yourself. It's great for like hotel bathrooms or, you know, poor hotel lightings. So that's why I really got this, because I have like a half bath right here off my beauty room, and it's super small. The lighting is terrible. Actually, the lighting in both my bathrooms are terrible. So I thought that's pretty cool. So with this now, I can suction it to like a glass, okay, and then attach my mirror on that, and then use the lighting, and then, you know, attach my phone onto that, and then we're good. Like, we're good. And then I can totally do you know, lives or whatever I need to do, maybe for my VIP page or Instagram or whatever. So, you know, that's pretty cool. As I'm talking to you right now, my phone is actually charging, okay? Like, you can totally charge your phone on this mirror. Do you see that? So right there, my phone's in there. That's my phone charging the USB. I just use the USB to charge it. You know, I am definitely going to need to, you know, move stuff and rearrange, and probably push the mirror back a little bit, because you see I put all my skincare products in here in this one acrylic tray, and I really love it. It makes doing my skincare super easy, and I have everything I need. I just grab them, because before my stuff was like all over the place, so I had to kind of rearrange that. I noticed Jackie Aina's mirror on her Insta stories, and I kept thinking, wow, what is that? That's pretty cute looking. I saw Glamcor, so then I went on Glamcor, and then I kind of checked out their stuff, and then I saw that they had like a sister company called Riki, and I saw the mirror, and I was like, okay, this is it. I'm good. I'm done. Like, what really sold me was the fact that you can put your, you know, phone on the mirror, and you can charge your phone on there. You can connect the Bluetooth on there, and you can take pictures, and it'll also record, because I tried it. It works. It records too. Okay guys, so like my video is on right now and I'm just going to hit that. There we go. So if I hit the camera button, it's totally like recording right now. Like my phone's recording, you can hear it, but you can see the pause and the stop button right there. So it's totally cool because you can record, okay? And if I hit the button again, there, it stopped recording. Now if I wanted to take a picture, I'll just hit the photos, hit the remote. Did you hear that? And it took a picture. So that's pretty cool. I really love it. That is it for this unboxing video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below. Go check out their company on Instagram, Riki Loves Riki. And you can also check out their glamcor page. There's a glamcor page where it's all the mirrors and stuff. So I turned off my ring light and my studio light, and I just want to show you guys how bright this light is. So I'm gonna turn on the Riki Tall. Gorgeous. So that is it, you guys. And of course we have the Riki Skinny. I'm gonna turn that on too. And that's just as bright as a Tall. So they're both beautiful mirrors and I really love them, and I'm super happy and super excited to play with them. So that is it, you guys. We are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these Riki mirrors that I got from my Vanity. If you have it, comment down below. Let me know how you're loving it. And just let me know, okay? That is it, you guys. Thank you for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.